Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the JSW Google TV here and I'm going to show you to restart. But this time we're going to restart using the on-screen menus. So in other words, we're going to navigate the menus to do a restart. So the first thing, go to quick settings at the top of the menu by moving over, go to all settings. So select that gear icon in the upper right. And of course, once you do, you'll be taken to the full settings. From here, you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to the option for system, and once you go in the system options, you're going to see a bunch of options as displayed on screen. You're going to go to restart. So as you see here, there's an option to restart your device. You're going to select, and of course you're going to say restart now. And by selecting restart now, what's going to happen is that you'll be able to restart your TV. Now of course, as I said before, this is a JSW TV, and of course it's also a JSW Google TV, so it has the Google operating system. As you can see, the JSW logo, that's a part of the boot up animation. And of course, if you go ahead guys, you're going to notice as well that it's going to run through the setup process, or should I say the startup process. And you can see the Google TV. So Google TV is an operating system that runs on these TV. It runs on multiple branded TVs. It's one of the better operating systems from Google or Alphabet. And of course, as you can see, it's running through its paces again, and it should be started up in no time, and you should be able to be back to normal functionality after a restart. So it's finishing up now. You see the Google TV, and there you go. That's the home screen. So that's how to do it on the JSW Google TV. See you in the next one guys. Bye.